Physical commodity contracts can be complex, way more complex than regular purchase and sales orders in ERP. The main reason for this is the flexibility that is required. Physical commodity contracts, for instance, can cover longer periods of time with multiple deliveries. Another thing is optionality, and then there are different qualities per commodity. And adding another element to the mix of complexity are the premiums. And I didn't even mention pricing yet, but don't worry. In this video, we will find out what you should basically know when you are dealing with a physical commodity contract. Let's get physical. To show you this, I use Agiblocks because Agiblocks CTRM is specifically designed to handle these contracts. Ta-da! I'm serious. It has flexible quality properties to align it for your situation. Okay, so what specifics should we think of? Let's start with quantities. With quantities, it is good to know that, for example, coffee beans or cocoa, it is not uncommon to make contracts in weight or in bags. And Agiblocks can handle both and even combine them. Another challenge can be to manage tolerance and franchise. Question for you. How do you load exactly 20 metric ton of cocoa beans onto a ship? Well, I know it's impossible. And for this reason, there's the concept of tolerance to create a buffer. Cocoa and coffee, they're natural products, so they gain or they lose weight during shipment, during transport. And herefore, franchise is a solution. And both tolerance and franchise can be managed in this CTRM. Here's where you fill in a percentage, so you can basically say, it's okay if it is a little less or a little more. One of the most interesting peculiarities might be optionality. Qualities can differ. Even availability can. Some choices can be made later. It is quite common to have constructions such as country of origin is Ivory Coast or Ghana, where each option can have a discount or a premium, an extra amount when a specific option has been chosen. And this is just to give you an example. I do not have a preference. For me, as long as there's caffeine in my coffee, I'm good. There is much more to the specifics of a physical commodity contract, but now you know the basics. Next time, we'll take a look at multiple deliveries in one contract and pricing. For example, outright and to be fixed. More about that later. Stay tuned with our Agiblocks CTRM tutorials and see you on the next block.